Is your 2010 Honda CR-V's alarm going off randomly? The most common culprits are faulty door hatch switches, the hood latch, or the key fob. Start by inspecting the door and hatch switches for dirt, corrosion, or damage. A simple test is to check continuity with a multimeter. It should read close to 0 ohms when the door is closed. The hood latch is another frequent offender. Ensure it's properly aligned and free of debris. Key fob issues often stem from low batteries, signal interference, or programming errors. Try replacing the battery or reprogramming the fob using an OBD2 scanner, which can resolve the issue in many cases. Remember to disconnect the car battery before doing any electrical work to prevent short circuits. Once you've identified the problematic component, start with the switches. For corroded or damaged door and hood switches, cleaning with electrical contact cleaner often resolves the issue. Use OEM parts when replacing to ensure proper compatibility with the 2010 CR-V's system. If the key fob is the issue, reprogramming might be necessary. This can be done using an OBD2 scanner to synchronize the fob with the vehicle's body control module, avoiding dealership fees. Aftermarket upgrades like Viper or CompuStar modules are also an option. These modern systems reduce false alarms by up to 60% according to user reviews, offering better reliability than the original 2010 CR-V alarm. Looking ahead, newer vehicles utilize hybrid alarm systems and AI-integrated security for improved reliability. While these features aren't directly applicable to the 2010 CR-V, understanding these trends can help you consider aftermarket solutions that minimize false alarms and enhance security.